How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. If any day you do not see your Wi-Fi name on your Android device and you feel just frustrated, just follow the following steps and your very problem will be solved. In order to do that, first of all, go to the settings on your very device. After you go to the settings on your device, you will see a screen like this. Now go to the option of connection. After you go to the option of connection, now you have to go to the option of mobile networks. After you go to the option of mobile networks, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of more connection setting. After you go to the option of more connection setting, you have to check whether your device has been as per the screen or not. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, you have to go to the option of about phone. After you go to the option of about phone, you have to scroll down and you have to go to the option of software information. Now you have to tap on software information and an interface like this will be shown. After that, you have to tap on build number for about 5 times. After you tap on the build number for about 5 times, your developer mode will be enabled. After enabling the developer mode, you have to go back and then you have to go back to the option of the developer option. After that, you have to see a screen like this and then you have to go down. After going down, you will see a screen of Wi-Fi enabling and logging. You have to go to the option enabling Wi-Fi scan throttling, and after you enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling, you have to just close the very settings and then you have to reset your phone or restart your phone. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.